What is the difference between the balance of powers and the separation of powers?
Is this just in the US?
Yeah.
Okay. The balance of powers is, when things are equal, and the powers are just all balanced between all, the branches of the government. And then what was the other one?
What's the difference between that and the separation of powers?
The separation of powers is obviously when individual branches of the government have more power than the other branches.
Balance means that the powers are equal, and separation means that certain people have more powers.
One of them is separate, and one of them is balanced.
What is the judicial review?
And something goes to court, and the jury and the judge and everything, they review it, and then they give the verdict.
Really embarrassing. Okay. It's in a courthouse.
How does the legislative branch check itself?
Like checks and balances. Like they have to. No one person can write a law. They come up with a bill and have to get it approved by a lot of people.
How does the legislative branch check itself?
Ooh, I think I do know this one. Okay, so there's this, isn't there the Congress and then there's the Senate? No, or the House. It's the House. The Congress and the House. Congress and the Senate. Senate and the House. There's the Senate and the House. And so something has to be passed in the Senate, then it goes to the House, then it goes back to the Senate, or from the House to the Senate to the House. There's communication between those two. There's communication between those two, and then it gets passed.
I didn't study for this.
What is the term for when the president turns down a bill that has passed through Congress?
Congress.
Veto.
It's called vetoing a bill.
Veto.
Passed through
Veto.
Congress.
How does the judicial branch check the executive branch?
I don't know.
They make sure laws are being obeyed.
Can you explain Marbury versus Madison?
No, but that was the one that was put away, right? Don't take that.
How does the House check itself?
Bicameral system.
Well, you're a house.
In simplest terms, what is the executive branch?
Is that the bank?
Allows bills to go through, and it's the commander-in-chief.
In simplest terms, what is the legislative branch?
You should go ask them.
In simplest terms, what is the judicial branch?
It decides what's constitutional from the legislative branch and judicial branch.